Hi everyone, September 21st market open. After 1 minute of market open at 9:16, sell call generated, a red color candle open. In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal. Here sell call generated, red color candle open. So sell at 45,288, that is our entry point line. Below our first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. It's a more than 100 point first target, more than a 200 point second target. Daily in live market, it will generate calls like signals in this chart. How you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. So today it's a September 21st. After 1 minute, we have received at 45,288 sell call and first target is 177. In first 3 candle, 3 minute of trading, 50% of target breakout, but after some time only it break out the first target range. As you can see in first 3 candle, it break out 50% target, but market started to recover. During that recovery, it took some time to break out the target. Like this today, sell call generated and break out the target. If you want to know more about details about this chart means, send me a hi message in WhatsApp, we'll provide you the detail. Thank you.